Command, this is Recovery 1. We are in position at the perimeter. Roger that, 1. Confirm stabilization sequence initiated.
Keep the tension even as we route this section.
Steady on the starboard side, almost there.
All right, confirm symmetrical load.
Trailer is aligned, proceeding to the threshold.
Copy that. Watch the starboard wing clearance. Looking good. All teams hold position, approaching final bay.
Starboard side clear by 3 meter, moving past the robotics now.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.
All calculations verified. We are good to lift.
Acknowledge. Start the sequence very slowly. Monitor the tail assembly closely.
Hydraulic jacks integrated into the support stands slowly and gently lift the Lockheed C5M Super Galaxy a few...
The scan confirms the delamination extends further inboard.
Agreed. The impact stress here is significant.
Note that for the dismantling sequence.
All right, set her down gently on the cradle.
Roger, she's secure.
That conduit is really tight against the housing.
I see it. Stand clear, I'm releasing the hydraulic pressure now.
Final connection severed. Crane, take the tension slowly now.
Confirmed, taking the weight.
The second gantry crane lifts the port wing assembly away. The fuselage is now reduced to a central tube, exposing the main structural spars of the center wing box.
Status on the forward locks, over.
Locks disengaged. Clear to lift. Initiating hoist sequence now.
Okay, panels loose. Watch the cutters near the data lines.
Got it. Securing the harnesses now.
Carefully pass the salvage unit back.
Clear the starboard side, watch the line tension.
Holding steady, Captain. Looks good.
Almost clear of the deck.
Make sure you log the corrosion on this stator vane.
Already noted. Pulling the bore scope now. Bring it slightly to the left.
Steady.
We have the hole. Initiating the first bolt now.
Aligning on the forward mounts. Easy now.
Confirmed alignment. Proceeding with articulation test.
Okay, easy down now. Watch the starboard side.
Clear on starboard. Seated.
Pressure steady at 500 psi.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good. Lower slowly.
Roger that.
Make sure the routing is secure on J27.
Roger that. Panel aligned, ready for final torque sequence.
Align panel 3 and secure the forward bolts.
Roger that. Torque is set to specification. Make sure you get all the bubbles out on that edge.
Yeah, it looks good from here.
Gear pressure looks nominal on all 28.
Confirmed. The load distribution is perfect.
Power unit 1 connected, check.
Copy that. Moving to suppression system 2.
Clear the area, stand by for startup. Rotation, V2 established. Positive rate, gear up.